Hello and welcome to Crafting with You, where I bring you a wide range of crafting tutorials and ideas. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful roses using paper currency. If you watch till the end of the video, you're going to see a couple of bouquets that I've made that are great for gift giving. So let's get started. These are the materials you'll need to make each flower. 5 paper currencies in any denomination you wish, and my advice is not to use brand new bills. I know this is a gift that you'll probably be giving someone, so it's really nice to use new bills. New currency is very rigid and it's hard to fold. What I'm using are newer bills, and newer bills have been in circulation for a little bit. As you can see, it's not brand new, but these are a lot easier to fold since they've been handled a bit, so it's not as rigid. Transparent tape, floral tape, and 20 gauge floral wire. These are really nice because they come pre-cut in 18-inch lengths. I got this from, I think it's Walmart. Don't use anything thinner than a 20 gauge because it'll be way too thin and it can't handle the weight of the flower after you make them. We're gonna start with the 18 inches of floral wire. Bend this exactly in half, and when you do, you'll get something that looks like this. Once you have your bent wire, go ahead and put this aside for when we need it. Grab your paper currency and we're going to attach these 5 bills to each other. Take one and the next bill, line them up at the edge, and we're going to take a piece of transparent tape and tape them right here, and we're going to repeat this until all the bills are connected. When they're all connected, it's going to look just like this. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all together. Starting at one end, we're gonna fold this exactly in half. So take this, match up the end right here, and the corner right here, and then make your crease, just like that. We're gonna go down and do this to every bill. Fold down, now to the edge, and crease until all 5 bills are folded in this fashion. Let's start the center of our flower. Take one end and you're going to fold a 90-degree downwards. So fold it just like this and make sure you have about an inch right here. So I'm going to fold this down, make a crease, turn it this way, and then you're going to make a fold right along here at the halfway point. So just like this, crease, and then fold again until you meet this edge right here. Crease. This is the center of your bud. We're going to slightly open this back up, and this is where your floral wire comes in. So here you have your folded in half floral wire. You're going to insert this loop right through here. So let me do this so it's easier to see. Take this here, slip it right in. So this is folded over, and then fold this over again, making sure the wire stays nicely right inside. This will prevent this wire from, you see that? I'm pulling on it and it's staying in there. So keep this here. Turn this back over this way, and now you're going to start making your petals. You're going to catch this tip right here and fold backwards, and then here we'll meet that point right there. Do a crease, and then you're going to roll this at a 45-degree angle. So don't roll like this, roll 45 degree. There you go. Now, catching the tip again, you're going to fold backwards. And again, this edge is going to meet right here. Do a light crease, 45-degree roll. And then we're going to keep repeating this. Catch that edge, fold it back, meet it right here, 45-degree roll. So as you can see, the middle of our flower is forming right there. So we're going to repeat this until you reach the end of your money roll. make sure that you're actually holding it very tightly here at the base. Every time you do this roll action, you should be keeping it right here. So now I'm almost done with my flowers. As you can see, it looks like a very, very nice rose here. And you'll have this tail end. What you can do is flip the flower upside down and you'll fold this piece out of the way. So I'm just gonna fold it down just like this. And to secure it, I'm gonna take a piece of transparent tape and tape it down right there. Now, to prevent this whole thing from coming down here, we're gonna need to secure any point of this flower to the stem. So again, take a piece of transparent tape and then just get closer, catch the stem right here and a portion of the flower, and there you go, all done. How nice is that? For the stem part, it's very unsightly and we want to cover this up. You're going to fold this stem in half, just like this. So now it's a little smaller. Get a piece of floral tape. I have about this like 3 to 4 inches, and we're gonna wrap it right around here. So let's see if we can do this nicely on camera. Wrap it as close to the top of the base as you can. Going to just go around a few times to make sure it's secure, and then start going downwards just like this. So we're going to just hide that whole base and act like it's one with the wire. Okay, this floral wire is a little sticky, so at the very end just press it in like this, and here you have your finished rose. The way you fold, there's a front and back. So this is the front of our dollar bill, this is a back. So you might be wondering, well, do I use the front side or I use the back side? Totally up to you. I've done both, so you can see what it looks like. This is if you use the back side of the dollar bill. It has more of a green color, right? Green color. If you would like to use the front side of the dollar bill, this is what it's gonna look like. So it's totally up to you what you desire. Actually, in my bouquet, I like to do a mix, so I'll do half this and half of this. Here's an example of something you can make. I took a bunch of the money flowers, put them together, wrapped them in tissue paper and burlap, and put a ribbon at the base. And this is another bouquet where I actually used floral stems and added the money flowers in, and this is my favorite look. We have several occasions coming up where this would be an amazing gift. We have Mother's Day around the corner, we have graduations, and wouldn't this be great as a toss bouquet at a wedding? So that's it for today. Please give this video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Crafting with You.